Hello everyone, I am Pooja Rajmane. Welcome to our Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. I am your computer teacher. What we studied? We studied our lesson number 3. What is the name of the lesson? Lesson name is Hardware and Software. Open your page number 14. What we studied? What is meant by hardware? Yes, hardware means the physical part of computer, means the part we can touch, like monitor, keyboard, CPU. We can touch this type of part. That type of part is called as a hardware. We will see here. Hardware. Next, system unit. CPU means system unit. System unit. What is the main function of CPU? It stores the data and instruction received from the input devices in its memory. Second one, to process the data entered in the CPU, and afterward last to generate the output to the output device. These are the function of CPU. We studied this last period only. And motherboard. Motherboard is like our motherboard is like the mother of all of the other circuit board. RAM means what? Random access memory. It is a temporary memory. Next, ROM means what? Read only memory, means like a book. We can read messages. What is written, we can read it, but we cannot do any changes in that. It is ROM. ROM. Next is a hard disk. Hard disk storage data permanently. Hard disk storage data permanently. It has a capacity to store data much more than the pen drive. It has more capacity than the pen drive. It is pen drive. What is the use of pen drive? It is a storage device. Means if we want to store small thing, photos, pictures, means everything we can store in pen drive. But hard disk is more. Hard disk have a more capacity to store data than the pen drive. Next is a computer fan. Now only you say, how many seasons having? Yes, 3 seasons. Which are they? Summer, winter, rainy. Which is the hot season? Hottest season? Summer. What we needed for cooling our room or cooling? Yes, we require a fan for cooling room. Same like that, what is the use of this computer fan? This is a fan. It is like our real fan, but not the same. It is computer fan. The computer fan is the main source of cooling for the computer. Means how our fan is working for us, same like that this computer fan is working for this source used for the cooling for the computer. As the component inside the computer generate heat, it has to be kept as cool as possible. What is the use of this fan? Computer means inside some components are there, they are generating the heat. By using that fan, then this fan is useful for cooling the computer. Next is sound card. Sound card is connected to the speaker, which is used to listen music. What is the use of speaker? To listen music loudly. And this sound card, by using that sound card, we can listen music. Sound card is connected to the speaker, which is used to listen music. This allows computer to produce sound. What is the use of sound card? This allows computer to produce sound. Understand? Next, it is modem. What is the use of this modem? Modem is a device that link the computer to the internet. Modem is a device. What is the use of this modem? It is connected. If you want the internet in a computer, by using modem we can take. There are 2 types of modem. Which are they? Internal modem and external modem. Where is the internal part? Right, internal parts are inside. In our bodies also internal parts and external parts are there. Internal parts is inside our body. Same like that, internal modem is installed inside the computer box. Internal modem is installed inside the CPU box, and external modem is connected outside the CPU box. Understand? Modem are divided into two types, which are there, internal and external. Internal modem is obvious, it is inside the CPU box, and external modem, it is connected outside to the CPU box. Next, what is meant by software? What is meant by hardware? Hardware, the physical part of computer are called hardware. Now we will see what is meant by software. Software is a program that tells hardware how to work. Means by using software, software is a program that tells the hardware how to work. It is the set of command or it is the set of command or coded instruction that you give to the computer in the form of program. Means what we have to do. Anyone can tell us, now you stand up, now you sit down. No, but computer having a software. By using that software, hardware is working, and this software in the form of command or coded instruction, and these are instruction given to the hardware, and then hardware will work. A software program is stored on the hard disk. Software program are stored on the hard disk. Why it is stored on the hard disk? Because hard disk stores the data permanently, and it having more capacity. You may create your own software or buy ready-made software. Means we can create our own software, or we can buy ready-made software. Computer games on the CD-ROM that you buy from the store are ready-made software. Means which software we are using in a computer for playing game, that software are already present, right? And we can buy this software only, and by using that software we can play games. These are software. MS Word. Next is a Notepad, and next is a WordPad. First one we see. What is it? Here, upper side, Microsoft Word. MS Word, it is software. It is one of example of software. Means if you want to write, then we are using the software. Next is a Notepad. Notepad is also useful for writing. If you want to write, here functions are there, write, then draw, then we are using this software. And next is a WordPad. Okay, WordPad. If we want to write anything, then we can write. Okay, these are softwares. Understand? Software is a set of commands, and it is stored in the hard disk. Next is a types of software. How many types of software? Software are two types. Softwares are two types, which are the system software and application software. Firstly, we will see what is meant by system software. A system software is a basic requirement of a computer system. Means system software means what? Basically, what computer is required, that type of software are called as a system software. It is a built-in software required for the smooth functioning of the computer. Means sometime there, if you want to play game, then some computer doesn't having a this type of game, but this type of this recycle bin, this my computer, it is present in all computer. Why? Because these are system software, means if you want to run our computer smoothly, then this type of functions, this type of software are required. It is a set of one or more program designed to make a computer understand instructions or programs given by the user. Why we need this? This is, and by using that software, or instruction, program is understandable, and it is the set of one or more programs. The example of software are operating system, compiler and interpreter. Example of system software is what? Operating system, compiler and interpreter. Understand about the system software. System software are basic requirement of the computer. This is the, what do you call it? What is it? It is a desktop, first screen of window. It is called desktop, and these are icons, right? It is start button, and here is the time. Next we will see about application software. What is meant by application software? An application software is a computer program designed to help the user to fulfill his own needs of performing a certain type of work. System software are basic need of the computer, but application software is opposite of the system software. Which type of software we require for the work, that type of software we can install in the computer. That type of software are called as the application software. The operating system allows the application software to use the hardware and understand the program and instruction given by the user for his specific need. By using operating system is already installed, because operating system is come in a system software, and system software are basic need, basic requirement of the computer. Then operating system allows us application software to use hardware and understand the programs and instruction given by the user for his specific need. Different organization like bank, where we are using computer, yes, bank, railways, airlines, school, use their own application software which is customized as per their need to carry out their day-to-day activity smoothly. Means banks are uses the application software. Why bank require a computer? For their calculating bills or keeping the records of customer, right? For what purpose we are require computer at a railway station? For book the ticket, to give the record of the tickets. Airlines also same. Schools, why we require schools computer? To keep the record of student, keep the record of teachers, syllabus. For that reason we are require a computer in a school. Means at different places requirement of the software is different. That type of software are called as a application software. For example, a travel company may design a software to book air ticket book air ticket easily using a computer, right? Now only I told. Travel company why require a computer to book airline ticket easily using a computer at sitting home only. Supermarket have by using travel company may design a software to to book air ticket easily using a computer in a travel company only. This software have to buy in a by travel company only. This software we doesn't having. Supermarket have software that generate bills faster on the computer. Why we require computer at the supermarkets? To generate a bill, then generate a bill faster. For that we are require a computer in a supermarket, right? Means needs of this computer is different places is different. That type of software is called as a application software, and this software is designed by the end user's requirements. End user means us. If this computer is this software is used in a supermarket, they must have to build a software for generating the bill. If they are using in a travel company, then for the ticket, book the ticket. Next, example of a application software. Which are the example of the application softwares? Paint. Why we require paint? Yes, for drawing and paint. Why we require paint? For drawing and paint. Next, WordPad. Why we require WordPad? Now only I told. Used for typing letters and document. Used for typing letters and document. Next is the Microsoft Windows logo. We will see this afterwards. Microsoft Windows logo. Why we require this? Used for drawing through a coded language. It is used for drawing, but in paint we can draw directly. But in logo we have to write a coded language, and by using that language we can draw anything. Next is the Microsoft PowerPoint. Why we require this PowerPoint? Used to make presentation. Microsoft PowerPoint is used to make presentation. These are example of application software. Paint is used for drawing and painting. Next, WordPad, typing a letter and document. Microsoft Windows logo used for drawing through a coded language, and Microsoft PowerPoint used to make presentation. Now we will see our skill sheet. In skill sheet, page number 5. What is the first number question? Cross the odd man out. We have to cross the odd man out. What is this? In A, first picture is a modem, second one is a mouse, third one is a joystick, fourth one is a notepad, and last one is a printer. What is the odd images in that? It is hardware. It is also hardware. What? It is hardware or software? Notepad is hardware or software? It is software, right? Then we have to cross the notepad, and printer also hardware. Next, it is keyboard, right? Next one is a light pen. Next one is a Microsoft Office. Next one monitor. Next one is a mouse. Then which is the odd man? Odd picture is, it is hardware. It is also hardware. It is software. Then it is, we have to cross here. It is also hardware. It is also hardware. Next, Microsoft Word. It is software. CPU is a hardware. It is software. It is also software. It is also software. Microsoft Office. Then which one is the odd man? Yes, CPU is the odd. Why? Because all are software. and only CPU is the hardware. That's why CPU is hardware, right? It is first one is a Microsoft Word, next one is a CPU, next one is a PowerPoint, next one is a Excel, and next one is a Microsoft Office. That's why CPU is a odd man out, and we have to cross here. Now next, rearrange the word. Rearrange the letter from the meaningful word. These pictures are given, and what we call that picture, and we have to given there some jumble word, and we have to rearrange this type of word. What is this? Which word will come here? Yes, right, system software, right? System software. Next one is a, see this picture, second number picture. What is this? And these jumble words are given, we have to rearrange the words. Which word will come here? Good, hardware. HARDWARE, hardware. Third number picture is nice, motherboard. MOTHERBOARD, motherboard. Third one is a, what is this? Yes, it is a, sorry, fourth one, it is hardware, sorry, software. Fourth one is a software. Next one is a hard disk. Next one is a hard disk. And last one is a, which last one is a sound card. SOUND, sorry, SOUNDCARD, sound card. Next, third number, state whether true or false. State whether true or false. First one is a, you have to tell the answer. Mouse and keyboard are example of a software. True or false? Mouse and keyboards are example of the hardware. Good, true. The answer is true. Next, software is smoothing. Software is something that you can feel or touch. We can touch software, or we can feel the software. Good. No. Then this sentence is true or false? It is false. The physical part of computer are called hardware. The physical part of computer are called hardware. True or false? Nice. The answer is true. Next, Microsoft Word is an example of a software. Microsoft Word is an example of software. True or false? Good. It is true. Next, joystick is an example of software. Now only we saw our in question number 1, joystick is a hardware or software? Good, joystick is a hardware. Then what is the sentence here? Joystick is an example of a software. Then it is true or false? Good, it is false. Next, last one is a sound card is used to produce a sound. Sound card is used to produce a sound. Then is it true or false? It is false. Sorry, answer is true. Answer is true. Sound card is used to produce sound. Answer is true. Understand? True or false? Next, fourth number, match the pairs. What is the first one? Motherboard. Which is the motherboard? Which is the motherboard? Right. This picture is motherboard. This picture is motherboard. Which is the number here? Motherboard. We have to write answer here. What is the number here? A. Motherboard. Then what is the number of this picture? Fifth one. Then answer will come fifth. We have to write here only 5. Motherboard. Answer of A, motherboard, and this is 5. Then we have to write here only 5. Next, second number is compact disc. Which is the compact disc? Compact disc. Yes. This fourth number picture is compact disc. This fourth number. B here already given and we have to write only 4. Don't draw lines here. Next one is a modem. Modem. Which is the picture of modem? Yes. Sixth one. Sixth one is a modem. Then we have to write here sixth one. C already given in front of C. We have to write 6 number of this picture. Next, RAM. 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 Which is the picture of RAM? Yes, good. Third one is the picture of RAM. Next, hard disk. Which is the hard disk? Good. This answer is second number. Second number is a hard disk. And WordPad software. WordPad software is first number. Then here we have to write here first number. Okay? Understand? First one is a motherboard, compact disc number 4, then modem is a 6th number, RAM is the 3rd number, then hard disk is the second number, and last one is a WordPad software is first number. Understand? Don't draw here lines. We have to write answer in your skill sheet also like that only. Next we will see fill in the blanks. What is the first number? Fill in the blanks. You also have to read with me. Yes. Dash dash refer to that part of computer which you can touch or feel. Which part we can touch or feel? Software or hardware? Yes, good. Hardware. Then hardware refers to that part of computer which we can touch or feel. Next one is a dash dash is a program that tell the hardware how to work. Who tell hardware how to work? Good. Software. SOFTWARE. Software is a program that tells the hardware how to work. MS Paint is an example of application software. APPLICATION application software. Next, dash dash unit is also known as a central processing unit. Dash dash unit is also known as a central processing unit. Good. System unit. System unit is also known as a central processing unit. Next, dash dash is like a mother of all of the other circuit board. Who is the mother of other circuit board? In the question there is the answer only. Mother board. MOTHER, mother board. Then next is a RAM stand for. What is the long form of RAM? RAM. Random access memory means randoms from this word R. Here is the R. Access, access from here next word it is A, then here is the A, and last one is a memory from that word M. RAM. Random access memory. Next one is a ROM stand for. ROM stand for read only memory. Read only memory. Next, the dash dash store data permanently. Who store data permanently? Hard disk, right? Hard disk store data permanently. Next one is a I1. A dash dash is a device that link a computer to the other computer to the internet. Dash dash is the device that link a computer to the internet. Who link the computer to the internet? Good. Modem. MODEM, modem connect internet to the computer. Next, a sound card can be slotted into a computer to allow the usage of audio. Understand? Audio component for multimedia application. Now next one is the fill in the missing letter. Fill in the missing letter. We will see this in our next period. What is the homework for you? You know very well. You must have to read lesson number 3 and try to solve the skill sheet. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3 up to question number 5th. Try to solve. If you not write, then let it be. I will give homework, then afterwards you can complete it, but try to solve it. Okay, thank you.